Running Google ads on a small budget is not easy, and I know how it's frustrating can be if you are just starting out. You might feel like you are wasting your money or that it's hard to compete with bigger businesses on a small budget. But don't worry, with the right strategies, you can make your ads work even with the limited funds. Over the years, I have helped many businesses to get results even on a tight budget. I am going to guide you step by step so you can make the most of your ads, avoid wasting money, and start seeing real results. This guide is for businesses that want to generate leads like phone calls, form submissions, or other actions. It's perfect for local service providers, SaaS companies, or any type of lead gen business. When I talk about small budget, I mean spending between $1,000 to $3,000 per month. If your budget is under $1,000, it can be very challenging because you won't have enough data to optimize your campaigns, but still you can apply these tips to maximize your ads. Before getting into the tips, let's go over few important things. Without these, your chances of success will be dropped significantly. Focus on one service. If you are on a tight budget, don't try to advertise all your services at once. Pick one service to focus on. Choose the service that makes you the most money or the one you feel most confident about. Once you start seeing results and profits, you can expand and add more services to your ads. Conversion tracking is essential. You need to know if people are clicking on your ads, filling out forms, or calling your business. Without tracking, you won't know if your ads are working. If your tracking is not set up yet, stop and fix it first. Don't spend money until your tracking is fully functional. Your landing page or your website need to be professional, fast, and user-friendly. I always recommend to create a separate landing page for your ads instead of using general website. If your landing page is outdated or hard to use, your ads won't convert into customers. Take the time to improve your landing page. Compare it with your competitor pages and aim to be better. Now start by targeting your best locations, the area where you already get the most work. This is the location where you feel most confident about. Once you start making profits, you can expand your ads to include the other areas. Now this is very important. You need at least 10 clicks per day to collect enough data. This is how you will learn what works and what does not. Different industries require different budgets, so plan accordingly. For example, lawyers will need larger budget, while small local service might be succeed with less. But keep in mind, if you don't have at least 10 click budget, Google ad can be hard for you because you won't collect enough data to optimize. When you have a small budget, your offer must be stand out. You need great prices, a clear value proposition, a good reviews. If your offer is not appealing or your reviews are not strong, you won't be able to compete with your competitors. If you are just starting out and you have a low budget, I always recommend going with a search campaign. Avoid display, performance max, and video campaigns for now because these are not ideal for small budgets. Now, these are some campaign settings that I often see people get wrong. Turn off Google search partners and display network. These networks can waste your budget by showing your ads on irrelevant sites. We only want your ads to appear on Google search results. I have tested these networks many times and most of the time they just don't work. Target the location where you already get the most work. Set the option presence people in or regularly in your targeted location so that only people in that area see your ad. Don't select the first option, people interested in your targeted location, because Google may give you clicks from outside of your area where you don't serve. Show your ads only during your business hours. For example, if your business operates Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., run your ads only during these hours. This way you can respond to leads quickly, which increases your chances of converting them into customers. I see many people running their ads 24 hours and not answering calls, wasting a lot of ad spend. For a small budget, always start with manual CPC. This way you have control over costs. Your goal at start is to get data. Once you have 30 conversion in last 30 days, you can switch to automated bidding strategies like maximize conversions or TCPA. You can also use maximize clicks at start, but it can be bit aggressive. Keywords are the backbone of your campaign, so do a proper keyword research. I will make a video on this in the future. Always use high intent keywords that attract people who are actually looking for your services. Avoid general keywords like plumber, roofer, electrician, and instead target high intent keywords like plumber near me, emergency plumber. If you want to compete with your competitors on a low budget, the one thing that can really save you is your quality score. The quality score is a number that Google assigns you based on your ad relevancy. The higher your quality score, the less you will pay compared to your competitors, and your ad will be more likely to appear at top. You can improve your quality score by focusing on 3 key metrics: ad relevancy, landing page experience, and expected CTR. Make sure your ad copy, your keywords, and your landing page match closely what users are searching for. The more relevant your content is, the better your quality score will be, and that means lower costs and better visibility. Block irrelevant searches with negative keywords. For example, exclude competitor names or terms like jobs and internships to avoid wasting money on non-converting clicks. If Google recommendations are set to auto-apply, Google can make changes without understanding your specific needs, so always keep manual control. Tablets generally have a low performance and won't give you a good results. I have tested them and they just waste money. It's time to launch your campaign and start collecting data. Monitor the performance to see which ads and keywords are working. Use data to make adjustments and improve your results. Once you start making money, you can expand your targeting to include more services and locations. Remember, it's all about starting small, learning what works and growing from there. I hope you found this video valuable and will apply these tips. If you want me to apply these strategies for you, I do be happy to help. Just check out the link in the description. Also, be sure to watch my video on Google Ads common mistakes that I see people making all the time. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.